Hello everyone. For this project, I have used Microsoft Excel to do my machine learning on this data set. I have firstly verified the data set to ensure there's data consistency and no missing data. In Excel, we only have limited machine learning models like regression, and hence I have explored the same using data analysis in Excel. I have tried to compare the machine learning models like linear regression model and multiple regression model. And within multiple regression, I have also compared the multiple learning regression with training set and a test set. Now, coming to the linear regression, in linear regression, I have selected my y-axis as the electrical energy output, which we have to predict, and the x is the temperature. And as you can see, the model has given the below output for that. So, I'll just move this. Yes. So here to evaluate performance, we can see the multiple R is the value that gives the relationship between the X and Y axis. It ranges from 0 to 1, and 0 meaning no linear relationship, while 1 is a perfect linear relationship, and we have got a score of 0.94, which is a good fit. And R square measures the statistical measure in regression model that basically determines the proportion of variance in the dependent variable that can be explained by the independent variable, which is electrical energy. In other words, R squared shows how well the data fit the regression model. And again, if we come down, we can look at the significance F or F statistics. It's calculated by dividing the regression by residual, and this statistics indicates whether the regression model provides a better fit to the data than the model that contains no independent variable. Um, in essence, it tests if the regression model as a whole is useful or not. So here we can see a strong linear relationship between temperature and output variable. While in multiple regression, I have picked the y-axis as energy output, and x is the range of the features that I've picked, which is temperature, ambient pressure, relative humidity, and exhaust vacuum. And as you can see here in multiple regression model, the R multiple R and R square are better, and hence I have picked the multiple regression model. Now within multiple regression model, I have split the training set and test set using 80% of the data as training set and 20% of the data as test set. So here is the result of the training set. And here again we can see a strong relationship between the dependent variables and the independent variable. We can also see a high R square value in the training set as well as in the test set. If we saw a high R and R square in the training set and not the same in the test set, that would mean our model is overfitting, and vice versa, the model is underfitting. But in this case, since we don't see that, we can consider this as a good machine learning model to predict the energy output. Here, like you see, it's 92%, while here again it's 93%. Now, using Python and other programming languages, we could have also explored other machine learning models like decision tree, etc. But with Excel, I conclude that machine learning multiple regression as a good machine learning model for our data set. Thank you.